Hey lovies, so in today's video guys, I have gotten a new live streaming app that I'm about to share with you guys. So for those people who like to go live, for those people who loves these live streaming apps whereby they meet new people, they chat, they go live, this video is for you. So if you know that you're that kind of a person, I would urge you to like this video, give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can share this video to your friends if you know that they love going live. So I have so many comments that people are telling me, oh Grace, share some of the live stream apps that we can actually go live, and here I am with another banger. So guys, I'm going to take you through this app, and let me tell you, you are going to love it. And another thing guys, I am only talking for those people who know what a live streaming app is. I am not going to tell you that this app is this, I don't know, it pays. No, that one you will know it yourself if it pays or not. But as for me here, I am here to share with you new apps, the new apps that you can go and live stream, and you know what is there. So guys, make sure that you watch this video, and watch this video to an end, because I am going to take you through that app step by step. Like, I'm going to guide you. I'm also going to review that app, so we are going to start by signing in. After signing in, we see the features, what is needed, country eligibility, and all of that is needed. And also, so many people ask, oh, when it comes to withdrawal, my country is not eligible, what do I do? Let me tell you guys, we are going to see all of that. So if you know that you're interested, watch this video to an end, because those kind of questions I'm going to ask them in the video. So thank you so much guys, let us jump into the video. This platform, or this app, is called Glow Live. It is called Glow Live. Please mark this, it is called Glow Live. Glow Live is a live streaming app. As you can see, these are the people who are live. These are the people who are live streaming. As you can see, we have Nigerians, you see we have the Americans, people from the United Kingdom. We have so many people on this app, and I want to take you through this app, and I want to show you how this app works, and how you can get to know more about this app. So the first thing that we are going to do, the first thing that you're going to do, as you can see, if you click on profile, it is telling you to log in. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on log in, so that you can log in with your with your Google. You see here, it is telling you to either to log in with your Google. So what you're going to do, you are going to click on sign in with Google. After clicking on signing in with Google, you're going to to choose one of your emails, and you're going to agree to the terms and conditions here. As you can see now, this is how it is saying. Nickname, you will need to put your nickname. Like let's say, for instance, I can put Jojo as a nickname. Jojo as my nickname. You will put your gender. Of course, I am a female. If you're a male, you put a male. And then you can also invite someone into this live. So you will put your invitation code. But before that, click on register, and so as you can see guys, I am done signing in. I am done signing in. So what you're going to do next, if you click on your profile, you will see this is Abby, this is me here. I have 0 friends, 0 followers, and 0 fans. And also you see, this is Terry, she's an agency, and it is bringing, so that I can click on her, so that maybe she's inviting me. So as you can see, this is the wallet. Let us check on the wallet side. You see, on the wallet side, there is no data. Transaction records, it is just like that. So if you click on the recharge, you can you can click on consumption, you click on recharge coins, and you will see here 70,000 coins is equivalent to $1. 350,000 coins, it is equivalent to $5, and 700,000 coins, it is equivalent to $10. 1,000 1 million 1.4 million coins is equivalent to $20. So you must check everything in order to know how it works, how the coins are are exchanged. Also, it is very, very important if you want to use this app. This app actually, it looks like TikTok. For those people who are TikTokers, you know how it looks. And so if you see in the rewards, you can see that reach 10 followers, and you will get plus 2,000 coins. Reach 50 followers plus 2,000 coins. So if you reach 10 followers, you will get this is the rewards that they are going to give you. And also these are the Nobel. It is activated for VIP. Also it is there. So you just click on everywhere. So let us go on here. When we go we click on home, we are going to see that these are the people who are live streaming. These are the people who are live streaming. So let us see how these people are doing on the live stream. So as you can see, these people, this one, she's on live and she is grow hosting. Yes, this lady is grow hosting on her live. So you can also do the same. You can also create your account. After creating your account, your profile, you set it. You can also grow host so that the people who comes in, they can gift you. You can also make something from the grow hosting, just like TikTok. People who normally grow host in TikTok, they make something from the grow hosting. Yeah, so that is how that live also works. And when we click on the when you click on the discover, you will see that we also have here. And if you click on the messages, no data, and as you can see, this is another interface. This is another interface of people who are live. Let us check, like this lady who has 7 million. Let us click on this lady from Nigeria that has 11.2 million. Let us click on her and see what she's doing on live. That is what we want to see, because you must know how these live things works. Let us see. Let us see the person who has let us check the one who has about let's see, the one who has the highest is 9 million. The one who has 9 million, like you see this person, he is live. You see, people are live and he is grow hosting. Yes, you see, these are all these people that you see here, they are live. They are all live. So what you can do, so what you're going to do for you, in order for you to get into this live, or to start your live stream, or to start your agency, what you're going to do, you're going to click on this the plus button. You click on it and you will see this. Complete the following to become a host. You have to complete these things to become a host. The first thing that you are going to complete face authentication. Go authenticate. You click on go to authenticate and you will authenticate. The second thing, wealth level must reach 10. So me, I have completed that wealth level 10 completed. And complete account password setup. You will click on go to settings and you're going to complete everything that is there for you to become a host, and also for you to become an agent. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are going to try up this app. If you know that you're someone who likes to live stream, to be on live stream, for hosting and for everything, and you know what is